Hi guys, today is day 4 in Japan. We're still in Osaka. Today we are going to see the Umeda Sky Building, but before that, matcha first. Chloe, you can take your water. Okay, let's go.
That's funny. My first vending
Easy.
machine is. I would take a video and look at that. And I take a
Chloe, so we go in the train via the red and out via the white line, yeah? Arrows. Come and just stand on the red line. Yes, you may. And the train is here. Let's go.
double doors.
I know, double doors. How cool are they?
It says extra safe.
Extra safety for everybody, isn't it?
Yeah, when the train leaves, that one closes. I said that would.
So if we are hungry, apparently in Japan we're not supposed to walk and eat or eat on the train. So what we're doing here now, we're taking a little break so we can finish our food. And Sanu was a bit hungry. What is he having? Sanu, what are you having? Your chips, Doritos. Okay. Alright, we wait here in the corner so we don't be disrespectful, okay, to others. And then we go outside. So we're still here at the train station, enjoying the train view and sipping on my matcha. I like it, the trains are so frequent, okay? Right? And some are so crowded. Look at the train. Lucky we are not in the crowded train.
Yeah, we sat on
Also, apparently they have this women only carriage. So we were sitting on the women only carriage. And one of the male was sitting there. I don't know if,
I saw two
I don't
males
know,
in there.
yeah, I don't know if they knew that was a female carriage, but they were in there.
I saw.
Chloe, we found a trash bin. It's a treasure in Japan. Go and throw it in the bin. Go, Chloe, Chito. She's going to throw the trash bin. Trash in the trash bin.
It's not treasure.
It is a treasure. It's so hard to find a bin. You did it, Chloe. You found it. What were you saying, Chloe?
In Australia,
Mm.
trash bins are super normal, and vending machines are treasure. But here in Japan, it's the opposite. Trash bins are treasure, and vending machines are normal.
Literally everywhere. In every few steps, isn't it, Chloe?
And there was once we saw like 10.
Yeah. Chloe? And what did you find? Flag off? You want to flag it, pull it I have? Matiko, Matiko. Yeah. Show me. Good job. We saw this Nepalese flag on our way to the Umeda Sky building, and we had to go and try some food because by this time we were craving for some Nepalese food.
The restaurant what we went to belonged to our dad's school friends, and we met uncle and auntie and they were really nice. Thank you.
So cute, eh? Look at the cats. You like cats? Chloe, no.
I see black here.
I don't know what they're doing. Looks like they're tickling each other.
Are you black here?
Look at the car up there. On the road. Come on, Sanu.
Defying gravity. I like that part. Why is it just walls?
No. Sanu, tayo na ba ito? Ito pa rin, Chloe.
Best.
Two already, if you can't spin. Locked up. Hmm? Yeah, look at that. Okay, Chloe, you can put it hard. Yep. And stamp it on the paper. And stamp it hard.
Yes.
You got it? O saan mo balik daw? Put it at the back. The view from Umeda building is called Umeda Sky Tower.
Oh, by the way, there's of course vending machines over there in the middle of the sky.
Yes, let's go.
The top reminds me of the Montrose Stadium where everyone fights to the death.
Is that? And that was the escalator we came up on.
It looks like one of those PvP ones that you find in Minecraft.
Is that?
It works. If someone fights.
Tao na. Chloe, tao na. Look at that, Chloe, come, wait. Look at all the buildings. Come on, let's go. That way.
I can see if you.
Look at all this. Chloe, all the lovers have got their...
They don't touch them.
This is what they do. See? They write the name. So cute. Chloe, this is also very popular in Chloe, in Paris as well. It's very popular.
That's all 2025. Hi guys. Coming down.
We're now waiting for our turn to get into the lift so we can go down. This was the tour of Umeda Sky Building. Follow the leader. The leader. Follow the leader. Follow. Sano leader. They're following you, okay? Don't miss the umbrella. We're watching you. Follow the leader. Follow the leader. Let's go, leader. This way, wrong way, leader. You gotta go this way. I have to show the way to the leader. Sanu, say bye to the big tower. Pasatan pa tadi. Sanu enak madro. This was one of the very busy time that we got on the train. There was no seat. We were standing the whole time. We came back to Dotonbori because we had this river cruise booked. We made it right on time. Bye! Say bye, Sadu! Bye! Like changes clothes.
Please have a number of the party that the life jacket. この船にはライフジャケットが付いてございます。Please have a この船には手洗いがございます。
Hello.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Come. Whoa! Look at that, Chloe. Chloe, look outside.
We are difficult to see Gringo sign. Don't worry about it. Now, after that, we are having a take a picture in front of. We are moving. Thank you. On that side, come on. 1, 2, 3. Everybody can see a little bit difficult to see. Can you see the man standing on the top of it?
Chloe.
It's totally wrong.
Sanu, Your favorite song?
China. 谢谢，谢谢，谢谢康师傅。It's for you. Your China. 谢谢。
She's singing.
Yeah, which country came from?
Australia.
Australia. Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming today.
Thank you.
Everybody waiting next time.
I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like a wannabe. I'm going up, like a wannabe. Gonna be golden. Oh, gonna be golden. Now I'm shining like I wanna be.
このまま探しに戻ってまいりますが、お待ちください。Please don't forget anything. お忘れ物をございますように。I hope you will have a most fun time. If you feel happy today's cruising, not great for
Honey?
anyway, sorry.
Oh, hiding
Please
now.
be
Wow.
your heart in your heart and so happy.
Wannabe.
Anyway, tonight, everyone, thank you very, very
I'm
much.
going up. Thank you. Thank you. Hiding now, I'm shining like wannabe. Good job, Sanu. Now time to go, Chloe. Did you have fun?
Wait. Proceed, please, keep sitting.
Let's go. Chloe, आओ, थोड़ा ले आए. Arigato. Thank you. Chloe, you enjoying the walk, Sanu? Very popular. Takoyaki. But because we don't eat octopus, so unfortunately. Look at the crab up there. Can't try. Real crab now. See how happening this place is. Kali si kono karon.
What?
Mo to lagi. Leo sana. Careful, it's hot. There you go, Sanu. Thank you. Let's go. Sanu, mau lari ta? Mau lari? Let's go.
China crispy, local fish katsu are signature sauce. A taste you'll never forget. Experience Osaka camping.
転職ってばっかり相談に来るかな。副未経験者でもまずは自分で考えを止めてからか。 리크루터에서
Yes.
No, it's annoying.
The cheese inside. After you keep biting it. The whole shop only for this. For this. I don't even know which one do you want. So many options. Okay, get it out. There you go. What do you say? Sanu, wait. What do you say to mommy? You're welcome. Chloe got that one from the other machine. And I didn't have enough 100 yen, so we had to come back for Zoe. I had the bigger notes. Okay, I'll help you. Hang on. Tell me what you got. What did you choose? No. No. Okay. This is the one.
So we're making it.
300 yen. And happy little one.
So we're making it.
Time, treat time, anytime.
I'm not bring down anytime.
Chloe here. Good.